Hey everyone, so today we are going to understand how can you use the Claude in most effective way. We will be seeing how can you use the Claude in a desktop, then how can you use the Claude in Chrome extension, and how can you use the Claude code. Okay, everything that we will be seeing today. So please don't skip this video, because in this whole video you will understand that which Claude model works best for your particular task that you are doing. Okay, so let's go ahead without wasting the time. Let's go. So see, most people still thinks like Claude is just only a chatbot where we can just ask the questions, but Claude is much more than what you think. It has a different tools for different types of works. Today we will be seeing all the things. Okay, so see, Claude has the four main ways to use it. The first is a chat. Okay, first way is where you can chat, where we ask the questions. Second is about the desktop, which gives us the extra features. Okay, the third one is all about the Cowork. Okay, where Claude can completely do the task for us. And the fourth one is a Claude Code. Okay, which most of the time developers are using to build the software. Okay, so this is all about this thing. Let's go ahead. Okay, now Claude Chat is what people use every day. It's like perfect for writing, researching, brainstorming ideas, and asking the questions. It also has useful features like choosing different AI models, creating projects to organize works, using artifacts to preview your documents or websites, and connected to access services like Google Drive and Gmail. Okay, so this is a best for writing, learning, research, and quick answer. Okay, so I hope you completely got the point which I want to tell. Now let's go ahead. Now we will see how can you use the Claude in a desktop app. Okay, so the desktop app is more powerful than the website because it includes the chat, it includes the co-work, and it includes the code in just one place. So it also unlocks extra features. What I can say is a skill, then desktop extension and voice mode. So if you want the complete Claude experience, you can go for the desktop app, because you will get a lot of additional feature which you won't get in that. Okay, so this is best for those who want some advanced features. Okay, I hope you completely got the point. Now let's go ahead. We will understanding the Claude Cowork. See, Cowork is like a personal AI assistant. Instead of answering the one question, it completely do an entire task. You simply give it a job, it plan the work, perform it, and gives you the final result. Just for the example, if you want to organize the file, summarize many documents, or create reports automatically, okay, it will do for you. And trust me, this is very best for you. So this is best for those who like repetitive and multi-step task, it will completely do for you. So this is all about the Claude Cowork. Now we will be seeing some practical things on also, so you will get the better idea like which model is best for you. Now we will see Claude Code. Now Claude Code is like specially designed, I think, for the software developer. It can create the new code, edit the existing files, fix the bugs, and connect with GitHub also. So that there are two main uses. Okay, the first one is a desktop app or a desktop code tab for beginners, and the second one is a terminal. Okay, first one is a desktop app and second one is a terminal. Okay, for the experienced developer. So this is best for the building and maintaining the software. Okay, this is the best for them. Okay, now let's go ahead. Two more tools worth bookmarking. Claude in Chrome. A lot of times you have seen. Let me just give you the live things. So here is a Chrome extension that you can see here. I have completely added. Okay, here it is. You can see. Okay, you have to log in and it will start working on your this thing. Okay, so you can, how can you use this? Let me just give you the idea. So let's say if you are at one page and you won't understand, and if you want to use the Claude at that time, so what you can do is you have to simply open that page and you have to click on the Chrome extension and it will analyze what you want. Let's say you want to analyze the blog, so you can tell like analyze this blog, and it will do in the real time. So this is the best thing that I think the Claude has. Okay. Now the question should be which tool you should pick, right? At the end of the video, you will ask yourself which tool is best for me, right? You will asking this question to yourself. So see, choose the Claude tools based on your work. Use chats for the question and writing. Use the desktop app when you need advanced features. Use the Cowork for handling files and long tasks. Use Claude Code when you are developing the software. Okay, so this is all about the Claude. So if you want to simply memorize, and if I want to conclude the whole video, then what I can tell is you can do the chat, you can ask the question. Simple, you have to understand this rule. Chat, ask the question. Desktop, if you want extra features. Use the Cowork if you want to complete the task. And if you are using Claude Code, software development. This is how you can completely memorize. This is how I am memorizing. So I hope you will also memorize in this way. Okay. So let's go ahead. I hope that things are getting clear in your mind. Now, 3 steps you have to do this. You have to download the desktop app. You have to try the Cowork on one real folder, and you have to open the code tab once. Because see, only watching the video won't help you to explore these things. Okay. So what you need to do, you have to download the desktop app, then you have to try the Cowork on the real folder. You can test anything that you want. Okay. Then you have to open the code tab and start exploring the things. So if I want to conclude everything, Claude is not just a chatbot. It's a complete AI toolkit where chats help answer questions, and desktop unlocks the advanced feature. Coworks, it will automate your task, and Claude Codes helps to build the software. So I hope you completely understand the power of the Claude. Like a lot of the people are still using Claude in just app only. Now you have completely watched the video. Now you understand, like, by using in a Chrome extension or using in a desktop, you will get more feature. Okay. So that's all from my side. If you still have any question related to the Claude, you can ask in the comment section. I would love to give you the answer. And please share this video to one of your friend who need to know more about this thing. Okay. See you in the next video. Bye bye.